Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Okay guys, we're almost to the main road. So I started a little bit earlier so you guys can see what it's looking like. So this will be an access road. So this place right here, this place is called Container. So this will be the access road. You see where they stopped the wall so we can go in and out. That will be the access road to access all the things on the side here. And this is what the main road is looking like going into Accra. Okay, so you guys can see going into Accra. You see they have a lot of filling to do here, and of course the paving.
The other road is in someone's Kumasi. When you are going to someone Kumasi, this is the other road.
Okay. So now you guys have an idea of where we are. Maybe that might pertain to some of you. Some of you might be looking at moving in this area, or you might already have something in this area, or you might travel this road. So this will be a game changer, guys. A game changer. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back. Gotta watch your chochos. So they're sending the yam over to the other side. So this is what we got going on. Okay, so there's a road. That's the one they're building up there. They just have a small road leading up right now for the trucks, I believe. This will be the access road. So that's what we're riding on now. That middle section will be actually the road if you're going straight through. Right? You won't have to ride on these access roads. You'll just have a straight shot through. If we see those green metal barriers along the way and I'm able to catch it quick, you guys can stop the video and take a look at the picture on there that shows how the road's gonna be. But they're really doing a lot of work. They're really doing a great job. Whatever. I guess the company is MEL, M-E-L. So I don't know what it stands for. You see the logo and the name right there. So that's the company doing the road. They seem to be doing a great job. Okay, that's what I was talking about, guys. That picture that just passed. If you want to pause the video or go back, there's going to be another one coming up here. I'll try to see if I can stabilize it a little bit. It's a little bumpy, so for right now. So you guys can check that out, the picture. That's what it's going to look like. Any one of these that we're passing and you want to stop the video and go back and check it out. See what it's supposed to look like when it's all said and done, and we'll keep you updated. We'll see how it looks at the end of the day. Sorry guys for the bumpy, but that's part of it. That's part of the road construction right now. And you see it's wet. It did not rain, but they have watered it. Try to get one more. Okay, I hope you guys caught that. Hope you guys caught that. Maybe if there's not so much traffic or something later, I'll show you the back. Frida's here. Anna is here. This is what it's looking like in the back, guys. You see? So we got big walls here. So I'm sure the road will come down and then go into the main road. So that's just going to be like an overpass, I believe, for the circle is what it looks like to me. Those of you familiar with this area, there's the yellow, black and red building. So you can kind of get a footing of where this is. You see the water truck, guys? That's what they do. So they just spread the water so that the dust stays down, and it really is quite helpful. It makes your car dirty if it sprays on your car, but I mean, it's quite helpful. It's helpful for safety reasons because the dust can get pretty thick if they don't do that. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. We're coming on the access road. So that's where they've directed the traffic now, is on this access road.
They already done. They almost done on the other side. You see the road? It looks.
Okay. They really got a lot of work going on still here. Filling, I guess. Wow. Okay, that's how they're doing the gutter. So the other side, sometimes I forget, guys. I'll try, if I can remember, and get you the other side when we're on our way home. I'll try to do that. But I can't promise, guys. So you see, they're gonna fill it all the way up. I'm guessing those gutters will be covered. Somebody must have hit that wall. I have to repair it. So the water can flow. They're out there working every day, guys. Every day. There's your overloaded truck. Wide load. I don't know why. Wow. People are actually sleeping out there. I wonder why those trucks are like that. Are they carrying stuff?
I'm trying to see if it's from Burkina. No.
They might be taking stuff somewhere. Because they look like they all
No,
just
that's
parked.
a foreign. They're going either Burkina or Niger.
Oh, okay.
So they are resting and then.
Oh, okay. They're all together, it seemed like. Yeah, somewhere out, put a mat on the ground and just taking a nap in the shade of their truck. Gotta do what you gotta do. So like I said, guys, the construction is going on well. Every day they're out here working. Every day I come. Every day I see people working on here. I don't think there's been a day that I haven't seen them working. Whether it be Monday all the way through to Sunday, holiday. I don't think they take time off. This is what it's looking like. whatever they're doing over there for the water to drain. They're working on that. They have a lot of scaffolding and stuff going on here. I guess that's what that is. Here's a market. They're still working over there too. They're getting the water where it will drain properly.
It's Amasaman police station.
Okay, so you guys will know where it is. Amasaman police station. There's also a GA Rural Bank. Ogana?
Ghana.
Oga. Yeah. Ga Rural Bank. This is the market. We haven't been here in a while, but we used to come sometimes. We've been here several times to the market. You do get better prices here than you do close to a house, but close to a house is just convenient. So that's usually what I've been doing lately. So here's what it looks like. Not sure what that place is called over there, but they got the market over there as well.
All these places Amasaman.
Okay. So you guys see about how close this is to where we started the video. So this is the road construction in real time, guys. Let me see. It is April 7th, guys. April 7th. So I think last time I did it for you was on the 1st, right? April 1st. So you guys can kind of get an idea of the amount of work that's going on. It's hard for me to pinpoint, oh, last time this was this was that. It's hard for me to pinpoint that, but I'm sure you guys can pick it out. You guys who are following. Here's the walkway. Looking nice. Very, very nice. So people can have access to get to the other side of the road safely. And get your exercise while you're at it. So this place will be good. I'm guessing those holes in the, I don't know, in the wall is for the rain, for the water. So it can go into the gutters. There's a gutter on the side here. You'll still have your access road. I'm gonna take you to the overpass again where we see the signs. So you guys will see it. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? I think they're doing an excellent job, personally. The way I see even this, the iron rods, I don't know that they finished with those, because normally the iron rods I see in the wall is a lot. So I think they're still gonna put more back there. Just the way they're doing the road, I'm not a road expert by any means, but just looking at it, it looks like they're doing a solid job. Looks like they're doing a really good job. North Pequasi. It says Bethel Congregation. So that was that church. It says North Pakwasi. So that must be what this place is.
Yeah, this is Pakwasi.
Okay. And there is St. Moses Community Hospital. For those of you who know Ghana and know this area, you might know this place. You see a lot of work has been going on, and here we are once again at the signage, and that's usually where I take you guys. So I will try, guys. I don't know if I'll remember. I'll try to get you the other side of it. I'll try to keep that in mind so I can get you the other side. The other side might look a little different. Yeah, but that's what we have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Those of you who are following the road construction, I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. We'll try to keep these videos coming. If for some reason you don't see one, just drop it in the comments of another video and let me know, or reach out and let me know. If I forget, let me know you're still watching and you want to see the road construction. So we're headed into Accra. We're actually headed to church right now, so that gives me a good opportunity to get you guys this video. All right.
That is St. John's over there.
Oh, St. John's. Okay. A lot of people know St. John's. Okay, so as my husband said, it's St. John's over here. And we've hit some traffic. Yep. So it's a church day. A lot of people going to church. Yep. Alright guys, I think I'll let you go at that. Till next time, God bless you.